So, uh, I was thinking if I can show you like how you can create a section from any design in Figma to Shopify. Okay, so we will first of all find out any kind of Figma design that we can find online. It okay. So let's find out Figma design for Shopify. Okay, and what we will do is we will try to copy a section as it is from Figma to our any theme, any Shopify theme. Okay, and let's say what we have here. Okay, it's just a simple one. Okay, we have here something. It is very basic one, but we can use it. Okay, we can create a section something like this if we want. So we will take the advantage of AI as well. Okay, so let's just copy it, paste it on ChatGPT. Can you please create a section in Shopify something like this, and please make it responsive as well as dynamic. Dynamic in the sense like manageable for so that I can manage everything myself, like text, image, everything. You can also add here font styles as well, everything. Okay, so it is going to give us a exact section. Okay, so let's say we have this test store over here. Okay, which is, as you can see, like it is a test store. Let's go into the edit code and let's see what they are giving us. We can give it a name, shop by category. Okay, so let's create a shop by category dot liquid. We will create a section because we are creating a section, then we have to create a file inside the sections. Okay, you will find the same directory inside your theme or whatever the theme you are using. You will find the same directory. Okay, so we have created the file. Now what we have, they have given us this code. Just copy it, paste it over here. Okay, please look into all the things. Yeah, so they have given us this one. So let's just save it, shop by category. Okay, let's just, it refreshes all automatically. Okay, shop by category. Okay, we have the right thing here. We can adjust the font size. Yes, we can. Right, we can change the colors. Yes, we can. Okay, we can, I think we can do everything here, right? Then after what we have, category card, which is 3 already we have, right? Let's see, we have this category. Oh wow, they have created it properly, right? Let's say we have this one. Let's say we have this one. Okay, so we can add the, and we can even change the color of this one as well, cream too. If we don't want that, we can change it to this one. And as you can see, we have created it similar to this one, but the blurriness of this uh, like button is not same as ours, right? uh, it doesn't look like ours one. So let's just save it for now. Okay, and what we have, Is it responsive as well? Yes, it is responsive as well. But we need to change the button design similar to this one. Okay, so what they have, we can also copy the blurriness as well. Okay, uh, this is the color they are using, so we can ask ChatGPT to copy the button as it is. Yeah, so we can mention it like something like this, that everything else is good, but the button should look exactly like this. And if you want, like, you can also help ChatGPT by giving some of the things from here. Okay, so you can tell them like or effect, you can say stroke, you can copy these things. Okay, so you can tell them like these are the things they are using for the button thing. Like this, and I have attached the options that they are using in Figma related to that button as well. So please give me code related to. So it is going to fix it for us. Replace only this CSS. Okay. So it is saying that find this CSS first. We have this CSS, and now we are going to replace it with this one. Okay, let's just replace it with this one. So then after, then replace this CSS, okay, with this one. Okay, then what we have, then add this hover effect below. We can add this anywhere before media query started. Then after, what we have, and replace your mobile overlay CSS. Okay, we have this one, max width 749, which is this one, right? So we are going to replace this one with the one that they have given. Okay, then what we have, that's it. Let's see, is it similar or not? Kind of similar, right? Let's just view this on front end properly. Okay, it is kind of similar. Text should be a little bit bold, I think. What we have, and blurriness we need to change. We have to work on some of the things. Okay, so we can't just rely properly on like, you should know a little bit about the CSS things. Okay, so it is making it something like this. Okay, I think we are on the right track now. Okay, yes, now we are going to remove this border from here. I think we are somewhere now, and we can have this one. This is the exactly they are showing. Now we can just replace it, shop category section template. which is this one, Shopify title, I think. No, it is overlay basically. We are going to replace the overlay. This one, yeah, this one. Okay. Just copy, no, copy this one and paste it. Okay, wait a second, what happened here? So just copy it, this one. Let's just save it and let's see. How is it now? We can reduce the height and width of this as well, like let's see. Overlay radius we can reduce, opacity, okay, overlay color can be white, text size we can reduce a little bit, we can increase a little bit, and we just reduce, okay, it is reducing the top and bottom. Okay, we can have this button padding and all using the using the schema as well. Let's just do something here. Rest is good. I want also to make the button manageable so that I can adjust the padding inside that myself. Padding, height, width. So here is my current code which is working fine. So just copy the current code that we have built, because he doesn't ChatGPT doesn't know like what we have changed so far, right? So just give it to them and place them below the setting. Okay, after this one, overlay text color, we have to put this one. Okay, overlay text color. Okay, okay, save it. Then what we have then replace the current, this one, with this one. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's see. Okay, now what we have here, as you can see, border width we can keep 0, horizontal padding we can reduce, vertical padding we can, blurriness, see, we can manage the blurriness as well now. So it can give you everything. Okay, don't worry about that. You see, overlay side spacing we are reducing from here and here. Okay, so you can keep it this way. Bottom spacing, okay, height we can reduce the height as well. Okay, bottom spacing little bit. Okay, now it looks good. Can reduce the height as well little bit. Let's just save it, refresh the things here. Okay, now we have proper section ready here. Okay, so I think you can take the advantage of ChatGPT and build a section properly out of the Sigma. Okay, my bad, Figma. So let me know if you want more help with any kind of sections that you are building. You want any help with Shopify. So yeah, just let me know. Thank you.
फॉरन की क्रीम काली वो ब्याज करती बहुत ज़्यादा तो पास भी है फॉरन की क्रीम मेरे पास है फॉरन की क्रीम